Teacher Ahmed's really good at explaining, and he's also very flexible with the timings and very kind. So it's going really well. I like that I can ask him for a specific topic. Really good. I would ask for something, and then he would spot that I'm missing some knowledge from other topics that links, and then he'd go into that first. So he's really good. I don't have any complaints. I would give him a 9 because he draws really nice diagrams, and he's really good at explaining. And he's very patient. When he asks you to do a question, he waits for you. He doesn't rush. I think everything he's doing at this point is fine. It's everything I wanted. I haven't had any concerns, but if I ask questions, he's very good at responding, and he will make sure I understand. He's good.